Provisional for high juicy news. Mima Obibia Aquaba. Ahadia latest and hot news. Aqua Aramide Bremo. And we so we subscribe to channel idea. Bomodia say over subscribe. The way I say over click the subscribe button. You know. Now we barely notification. You know. Where the new video be uploaded. When the first person out was ever can video. After we are now like video, give us a thumbs up. Nafi share my for so now when you be here now and somewhere so Ghana has see. Afi yembura ye and Sama Abeto Yapono. So with your breaking news and amede bravo NPP she said ye otumisa bano wene lusu poto yenu gwasie bigwigs our NPP do dona lusu on seat Getty Hamod wa lusu ni seat eye Henry Cotti wa lusu ni seat eye takwanso yemu mrekuduka onusu lusu ni seat I think say eslo so lusu ni seat. So I'm so one lusu ewo ho chese wo hwa NPP fo na akose their own defeat na aye sembebre na aye projections e ba de chese ye John Dramani Mahama na ewi ni aba no hwe projections e ba wona 56 point something percentage you know utum say ono na ewi ni aye election ono na ye the president elect na aye Kevin Taylor ono so the provisional results are ye the coalition ono so aya o de atubia o de ni na to ama sese no wa declare aye John Dramani Mahama as the president elect akoye ensemble na wo hwe eye NDC for one coalition center eye John Dramani Mahama te ho achese wo hwe results a bani ade to say nim nyina ye serious to me say they have won the election NPP for lu support or enim gwasesem NPP for elusu one ye hwe enye sisi one kwa one results kwa one intimi quality ma check NPP for bebre one platform one intimi fasim bia meto to say why is it din one who say no enim gwasiaba akoye sembebri na yentwe ye Kevin Taylor ye hwe se de ordinary resource ne tudwa na ye hwe Mahama oti ye collection center one Dr. Manebo ama achise ne nim nyina ye serious ne ade ye hwe na yeti report bia ifri ye NPP for na camp no so interior ekoso ye hwe de ekoso.
Tonight we have a key race alert for you. We are ready to put out the final results. We are going to declare the winner of election 2024. We started with 40,000 polling stations around the nation, and the battle was between the NPP and the NDC. John Dramani Mahama and Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia, as you can see on the screen, that is how we started the whole thing. Right now, we have updated the system, and we are about to show you the final key race alert, and then we are about to call the elections. So after this short break, we will call the elections, and then we can take it from there. Key race. All right, so thank you very much for staying. We have a key race alert for you. We are about to show you a final figure that we can confirm from Loud Silence TV, Loud Silence Media, that John Dramani Mahama has won the 2024 elections. We can confirm from Loud Silence Media, from our studios here in Washington, D.C., that John Dramani Mahama has won election 2024. He's president-elect. John Dramani Mahama is president-elect of Ghana. Now, let me show you the figures so that Ghana would know that John Mahama has won the elections. Now, these are the results. So far, we have 38,000 polling stations that has been recorded by the Electoral Commission. The result stands: John Dramani Mahama had 56.37%. 56.37%. Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia of the NPP has 41.30%. Now, the raw figures, John Dramani Mahama has 6,199,068 votes. 6,199,068 votes against Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia's 4,541,535 votes. So far, 38,000 polling stations out of the 40,000 polling stations are in. If the rest of the polling stations are added to Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia's number, he cannot still cross the 50+1 threshold. So this clearly gives us the confidence and authority to declare John Dramani Mahama the winner of 2024 elections, the general elections in Ghana. He won with 56.37% against Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia, 41.30%. I would like to state this again. This is a key race alert. John Dramani Mahama is the winner of the Ghana 2024 general elections. He came up with 66,199,068 votes. 6,199,068 votes against Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia's 4,541,535 votes. We are looking at a difference of about 1.6 million. We are looking at a difference of 1.6 million between Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia and John Dramani Mahama. So we can confirm on Loud Silence TV that in Ghana, the president-elect is John Dramani Mahama. The Electoral Commission knows, and these are the numbers that are supposed to be put out there. Out of the 40,000 polling stations in Ghana, 38,000 polling stations, they have reflected that 56.37% of Ghanaians voted for John Dramani Mahama. 41.30 Ghanaians voted for Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia. In raw figures, Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia has 4,541,535 votes. In raw figures, Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia has 4,541,535 votes, representing 41.30%. 41.30%. John Dramani Mahama of the NDC recorded 6,199,068 votes. 6,199,068 votes. So with this figure, we can tell you confidently from Loud Silence Media that John Dramani Mahama and the NDC, they have won election 2024. If you are at a polling station or a coalition center, I think most of you guys are in coalition center. Do not leave your coalition center because they still have to declare the parliamentary elections. So far, from what we are seeing from our data, we have only 2,000 polling stations left. And if all the 2,000 polling stations are added to Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia's numbers, he still cannot cross 50 plus 1, meaning John Dramani Mahama automatically wins election 2024 in Ghana. So that is the confirmation. We have declared the results of election 2024. John Mahama has won the elections with 6,199,068 votes. 6,199,068 votes against Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia's 4,541,535 votes. Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia got 4,541,535 votes, representing 41.30%. So from Loud Silence Media, from myself, my production team, to every single person who took part in these elections, we would like to say thank you very much. John Dramani Mahama has won election 2024, and 38,000 polling stations out of the 40,000 has given him 6.199.068 votes. We would like to say thank you very much for being part of our production. If you're at the coalition center, keep protecting your ballots. The EC, they know the right thing to do. Ayawaso West Wagon constituencies around Accra, you guys are supposed to still stay at the coalition center. We need to get the final numbers. There are a few numbers that we're trying to pull from left and right to make it a whole number. But right now, this is the most important thing. John Dramani Mahama is president-elect of Ghana. Thank you very much, and see you next 4 years.
So for everything that we're doing here, we're churning out the figures from our strong room, our coalition center. And guess who is at the coalition center as well? Going through the figures and having a broad smile on his face. So exclusive content, first time airplay of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama in the strong room, going through the figures just as you and I are.
And Ashanti region, per every indication, it clearly shows say there was vote apathy. Asantefo ankotwaba. Asantefo achire se ampa. Omuni munyensa. Sebi NPP fo ye pam ye kwase ya no. Enya asantefo dan achi ne ye kwache no. Na senka wanya bi ama wase ya ye mmone koro no. Mwatimi atete asantefo ama asantefo abre. Asante so ne kura NPP. Ana asantefo se 1 ye nkonkotwaba sebi ye nyimi. Yenso so ayebekwa akoto no ye be kire say yes. Party ni ye de nanso mo ne yen anni ni ye. And ohwe vote wa yewura John Dramani Mahama enya in Ashanti region na even 30% no mo propose ye no at the end of these elections ebebru 30%. I'm telling you, because akoye chimpe 50%. And very amazing because ohwe seat ya make ho asem yewura say chairman sabonsu so am constituency pa NDC ya wini ye ka kire me kura na me se me nyinni. I have to call somebody in Swame. And no kura no kan ye no I have to call another one. Me frɛ nipa mienu miensa to confirm. Because me dwene ho mente ase. KT Hamana dance asokwa. Ono so we lose the seat in Ashanti region. O hwe tafo ye se tafo. Na wo hwe the way NDC ye wini parliamentary in Ashanti region this time round no. Anu nyan. And there are other omo de katashi FM. Ibimo, you say there is another constituency NPP for per se, almost swap ballot papers. I announce so IGP ne mrantie achi omo omodu omo akwakogu police station enkoso. Sabre ya me no kasai said the mekan yes Kumase Swami you say Chairman Sabonsu losing the seat. Tafo aluzu yes Dome Kwabena enso so aluzi Jinapo minister ono so aluzi ayawaso enso so aluzi ugina lai mu na fe na wo che mu ni sika ha wakumsin enso so aluzi na ha wakumsin de ya me destiny ni pe wo wi ase gina wo didi Kennedy Agyapong Agyapong atem wo so yo ba na wo na wo hyeko no afi na wo tutu akukumu bi wo ye adwuma pa nka obekumu bi ye tumufo a musimu ntie Asen Central NPP aluzi Asen South Reverend Tim Fojo ono so aluzi ohwe KT Hammond enso so aluzi Mrikuduka enso so aluzi and first time in history Sunyani East NDC are winning the seat a PC da yes over the northern part of Ghana you John Dramani Mahama winning all the northern votes except the northeast yura Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia no krum eno kra no vote wa Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia di BT John Dramani Mahama no ketua bi yes na NPP for mo sorry Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia ba ya no amaya wini amaya nya more vote in the north saying eno kra na wo hye ho no no fofo nyina to against mu NPP for yes because one village one dam mo faili when timi anya dam ama of asat now yemianom no fofo omo ne mwa na nom suo and you John Dramani Mahama mesro in your next government we are northerner the issue of water problem wo dey say wuntumi a me say the investors that we are talking about, you better deal with the water project. But the first thing, water is life. What nsuno, you better solve in the north, the northern region, all the 5 northern regions. We are going to solve that problem. Now, politicians na moye northerners no, mun kai babia mu free buy. Musu mu duebo, munim ohaw ni amane a munnuanom wom. Ma ba be di positions tete nkran, tete mansions mu, tete V8 mu, tete car papam, mun kai babia mu free buy. As at now, munnuanom ne mwa enanum suo. Na mo sora ma pagya ma batiri kokoti. Jinapo se wona wa lose no. NPP fu e ka kire mo nyɛ strategic. Na mo dia na ye strategic. Why strategic? Mo na mo hye ho no. NPP fu me se yawe. Ye tu mo fu na mo antie. A+ ya win e won constituency. Independent candidate ya mo win this time no. Enye easy. You see about 40 independent candidates in NPP. And out of this 40, no, better 20 they bet me win. So won't me win. They give chances to the other candidate now, or more NDC and as an independent candidate. Mom also a win. MPP for someone who bred the fool. One who be President Akufo Addo, I say MPP party na kwa kudu. Na MPP for nyakam for bimo. And the one who went where we see a 2 mufuna monty. Ye di can 2 mufuna kamuti ya. Enka we nyina beba. Me papa baako oyo hene wo Kumase. Yes. okoto na aba na NPP fo na na ye das na na vote ne de ye de o se me to ma aba ma NPP party a me sebi ono born hu dua me nka dua kro no okokuma say that is the popular goals wa ewo ho or the board hu dua wo NPP fo nanim ene we fa ha na telo in Ashanti region. Yes, that is what I'm telling you. Ashantis nye ayi body abrewaju wuntimi me dada emfa wa no me fa ye hon hyedan ko chapter plane from a Gatwick MEC ayi Kumase enkase we be international airport da be na obi international airport no how many plane na tu aba and aka 2 days to elections wetimi a charter plane free Gatwick ye hwese ya to aba na wie ye hwese plane no because so a flew as you did that agema wuo nkukobuo airport we amasini wo ho munim se Ghana for ye ntu kwanda munim se Asante for ye nimie etimo be ye propaganda. I told you Ghanaians say the na air kwaso in the social media no NPP for na atua sika ma some bloggers and NPP for na ankasa and omo create the scene say NPP ayade but on the ground ye na ye political scientist na ye tie nipa ha no nipa amane no Ghana for yesu Ghana for ebre na Ghana for the common ni bre ene to aba Ghana for nya adwuma nye Ghana for mebre. Just look at the street, look at the way Ghanaians are suffering me day in and out. Ebia wonu nya course because me course so me nya na emwa nipa hwehwe free me ho no aya na eye me ya ano besere me mwa na manya bia mwa na me wra ho eye me ya semantumi amwa wo. And these are some of the things I hear as a government. You have to create an enabling environment. But then people for money na mo be bokro no akese. Investors kitesika trillions of dollars be creating nyuma. Ama Ghana for mo bunu manya bia ye. Over 100,000 jobs. Just one project 100,000 jobs. NPP for ampene. President Akufo Addo ampene. Okwaje 10%. Na muria mo sanso ne nam embassy to embassy. Ka kire embassies ni say they should deny young Ghanaian youth visa na Ghana there because of free SHS. Aye kron tima Ghana ni bi antu kwan. Abro ni bayi. Mo dia mo ye ya pe sanse mo waje mu green card e na mo diplomatic passport nti na ma fly na ma ba. Na ye de mu wi a ma cheche nchene ne makoni anwa na mo de abreye. Yaje edi. Nse ya to atiamo. Omo to atiamo Ghana for actually say yes, the next government of Ghana no na ni beda ho. We are thinking of development. Ghana for here Juma. And as I said, per the results na ebano, I can confidently say you John Dramani Mahama will win. Even if your baby crowd will win about 60%. Yes, you John Dramani Mahama may win about 60%. As of now, per the data that I have, about 9,946,515 votes. And I remember, you John Dramani Mahama, Ikura 5,618,282, representing 56.47%. And a Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia 4,094,692, representing 41.15%. And at the rest, and also so at the 236,541, which is 2.38%. And John Dramani Mahama is winning overwhelmingly. Yes, and I can confidently frame me NPP ni back was say, hey Frank, is a vote of what you cry you. I say, me anu vote of what you my. Yes. Na me anu vote for otchere odo. Why are there? Me anu vote for. Me say, ye bema mu hunu puntu. Ube hunu puntu. Vote for my. Yes. Na vote for Babebu. Oko Sunyan East. First time in history. And this year winning Sunyan East. That is to tell you how bad NPP party is. Yeah, catch them say NPP party na say. Who di me atem? Wo so ye NPP ni who di me atem? Na me mahu no kore na meka. Ni nipa o say no. Why na say party? Why na o say party? Nya twomfo mo mpe no kore. Sorry also ye patriot, we ye NPP ni na mayenka. And mahu no mawie. Mahu no mawie. Mahu se Kumase for me na me control Kumase for. I was telling you how Kumase they are feeling. Anxiety is all over. Me what say or you pulling agent. NPP ni pulling agent. Okay, I say offer. You went in NPP for the marry. Yes. E kwam di nipa ebre nipa nya adwumanye. Ghana fu yesu Ghana fu ebre. Ye na ye wogidie wo NPP mu say NPP is the only party a ebetumi age Ghana. And ye co opposition 2028 we are coming back. We are going to restructure the party. Make NPP for omo yi won sika boa NPP party na nado danko Akufo Addo yi won bonu aya no me hu bi da. Ya o man bi wo America ha se friend konongo kaya ene ma me mo ni din. Daddy mechi yawo. Minim se me no be kasa ansa na mekọ amako. Ene ayi new kan. Ya se new kan ne konongo kaya. The way omusi som President Akufo Addo pa no. Ene konongo kaya mimi nimdi o information na metenti Ghana fo amwa America se mebo amonka se frankada na oboa yesi man bi e frɛ no konongo kaya so mo boa meboa o America ha yesi odenisika na ho odeni bibia som President Akufo Addo ene okodjubule ha sukura ya man kwampo na wawura ho ye yi papa na ma yes amanfo mo aboa President Akufo Addo NPP aban agu won'anim ase ya hye wona yi won bonuaye hwede mode aye maame sister Barbara NPP former woman organizer ompekasa maame akoma pa ewonimu oboa nipa ni din de boafo Barbara boafo ni din ne honam se senko yo bi mpo ye kikikiki ya ono na type of politics na say mama na ode when you politician no because the way you kura akoma pa no o ye no bone kura mpo na o sere hwe wanim o ye udi ni bone no na o sere hwe wanim mama Barbara bone amudie di mama Barbara ehun sunsanso na munhunu no obi biara obeti asemi bi onim sister Barbara bi o say NPP for manya de enye ni pa nyina na ye di ni bone o me say amanfo mo frɛ me omode omo aboa NPP efa sika fam efa nimdie efa amodен bebrebe ntimi kura mobodin mi akasa me mama Porsche Mary Porsche suma wasom NPP in Germany me ka na mapkyere enti se me boa mon kanjam se Frank oboa me papa baako o se friend Dr. Duka no wo Canada o se President Akufo Addo uko Canada ono na no drive from Canada to America ba bi odo be ko bia omu nyina panfo bebre mentimi mu bodi panfo bebre ni tra se me kasa aya me de me nsasi me bu no because minim de America me metra be twantro da ansa panfo ya omo abo party na e bi mpanye sika na omo pewu just recognition keke must say omo nyina and omo so wa busuya ene makose sasa miracles aboaje kromfo brante we no mo brada oro ne kaprebe na wa MPP mu ene mo hunu ma wiye kose sankwada toto fefe wa ayi nufusuo bombom mo hwena no ene omo adi party nanim mo hunu ma wiye ene da ho se mo say party no na ye ka kire mo se Ghana fo ye se ye pe Kennedy Agyapong Kweku Agyapong makofa Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia omo brada he is the vice president of Ghana apurati apansam na ne yere Samira onye Ghana ni nsusu di akire etoto ya yampia amuwade samo pam ayi Kojo Kyeremanteng mahunu ma wiye mo se madidi na atem onimu anyama biye ene monne sanka Kojo Kyeremanteng wo mu a nga we nyina beba edidija eni muna enenam and mo crooks ne mo criminal activities na mo ye na ansosidi ni nyina no ye NPP fu a na omoboa mo ma mo ye discriminalities mo yi omo totwene no omo ana omo ma NDC for tip off I'm telling you mo NPP fu mo IT gurus na ma fa omo di wi abam no ba ko ye me madam fo everything or the information mame ade bia mo ye bi o de mame yes Brajampon sort of helicopter mumisan auto helicopter anan ode be your operation about we eba batui munim plans MPP for plan e auto helicopter Brajampon to helicopter sikanashi mo me say mo mo niema na mo ye ni nyina no da ba bia ya na meka se mo bosso me wo ho na nipa na ankasa afre me muka me wo ho na yesi yakofa IT guy bi because they say NDC for march the former IT guy me kura me refinidin obebo MPP in 2016 2020 me Kennedy Agyapong so omo akofa different IT guy from America here to Ghana very young guy and omo dini free America ha no omo sesan ni din sesan ni documentation omo de ne ba Ghana oba be di bone because ni juma odini wa America ha no say America for who say udi sa abone no wa Ghana Ye money see America have you into a sunny din. I'm giving you all this information. Your boss wape me wo na nadam for pa ne tutu mutu efre me. Me wahunu. It's like aya nipa di nokore. Ofre me no ka ga no ni din ni history everything. But though they have the intelligence, but nobody knows. But I have it. I know him. Meaning every information about him. Hey, adie bia NPP be plan so mo ye bia no. The moment ye bia menya hente pe, ne nipa from the NPP a oka de na mo ye ho na wa frɛ me. Na wa mam information in and out everything. I am telling you. Ghana for mo to mo ye de nkura munim sebra even NPP for be kwa munim sebra champonto helicopter no de be the selection munim, but I know. Him atra ha mpwan kontompu da. Wo soro so ye NPP ni. Hwe bonfo sam ye wudisem ye na ankasa ye NPP for AD. Yasema yenka ya chechire omayo. Omay Ghana ye de o. Se yasia chi poto ehwa na ye betafre. Na ye ka NPP for yare. And nobody should try. And when we strategy no, ya sheda ma de esa. Inti ade sa na ya swape, but NDC for no more is you. Omoni no you. NDC for masa. This time there, my mom 100%. My intelligence, very great. And Ubiaswa, you see, and an IGP. Kofi Buache, also so why are dear. And then Penifon who do be brave. My dear papa. My grelly NPP former mom who say yes. Next time, say the 2 me mawa. As I say, Uhunu say, O Mount Forson Uba Bedi. Na obeyen yema ebeboa wo manfo na moye de ya nka manima antene tumi kakra mo pe na mo che mo cha anwa na manfo obo tiri na mo ka banku na mo wo fufuo Africa Ghana ndi da benda me sanse hunu wi ntina me say ade a yeto so aba position yeto so aba menko bi da because anema we omo ye me time hade na Kwaku Bediatuo Nana Kwaku Bediatuo yase ba bi one na yere kura koto vote okoto aba onya 1 one na yere koto yo so onya 1 what would the ayero. So these are some of the reasons that brain na me kase me am a political scientist. I know in and out of everything. Me say because me okase me nko contest na me nko ye nko to me so aba me sa na ma na omo ye me time I'll never do that anyway because mania me the only thing that is expected of me and say me di no kore abo nipa na menwene nipa ho adwemmone na menwene de amenko amedi ho na madwene de nipa ye nyina ye bedi ho na mehunu se menua bre na wo bre no ebetimi atome na yetu yama oman no akonanim. These are my principles and I am assuring every Ghanaian say and there is change of government from Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia to John Dramani Mahama. We are bringing the investors and we are coming back. Me say after this video, I am praying say the issue of water crisis and there's a new dam and in the northern region. I have supply potable water to all the 5 northern regions. We are going to do that. And we are going to have 24 hours and I'm kind of say 24/7 water supply for agriculture. And then this one very related to 24 hours agriculture. Yes, we are going to supply the water. And me tena habe kachire mo say we control the world investors no. Now, matwa bapa ye the investors no Ghana. And let me tell the NDC politicians, the ministers, the government appointees. Investor biya ye den beba ho na be demand even $1 bribe. Me ana me do beba bet na social media we. So we hu ade a me de be ye wo. With the upper months or someone try. Ghana fool. I am assuring every Ghanaian. What you want to munda? Me means wu. Now would the pabono for didn't crom for a woman on my own crossing and coupon ball by. Now me am on my own. And your mind is the can I may baby poor man no prepare your name and conquer and I may pay. I madam was say, me say, me mean to intercede to form family catremanfa. We are coming back. We are bringing investors with billions and trillions of dollars. Now, all politicians now want so no be no kwano. You see what we do to you. We need intelligence a course in these elections. Winim intelligentsia so mugu Ghana. You don't know anything. Let me tell NPP people. You know NPP fool. But ye catch will say next time. And you see how President Akufo Addo has collapsed the NPP party. President Akufo Addo has collapsed the NPP party. But ye Kwaku for many for. Ye catch them on a mwenti. Yes, Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia is incompetent. He doesn't deserve to be the president of this country. And a mwenti. And a mahunumweningwase. Wa reporter kojo. Wa re.
You waiting for waiting and someone about Betoya Proso out me said 2024 general election of John Dramani Mahama and as I say to me say we winning a year upon provisional results and Banyana say or no and I take lead NPP4 Budini wanting to me and Kasa acquire a Sembi because so we don't subscribe here but more than say over subscribe to channel since I had the latest and hot news and Aremeyaw Bremo I feel we are now like video like the video and I feel share my Ato Forson when you be here now and someone echo so ever Ghana memoir also betimi otchere wadwen afaye nsem we nyina ho ewo comment box ni bu mubeti minkabium in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.